Alright, picking it up from where we left off. Lights, camera, action. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the PreSonus ERIS E3.5 3.5-inch active studio monitor, and I'm going to compare that next to the Pioneer DM-40, which is a 4-inch monitor, to see what is the size difference. And so let's quickly unbox this and see what we get in the box, and let me give you a bit of first impressions about this product. Let's go. What is good, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep, and this is where I do a lot of DJing and tech related tutorials, tips and tricks to help you become a better DJ and to help you get better at using technology. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Alright, it's been a while I made these videos. I've been really busy because it was December and November was hectic as well. A lot of gigs finally came our way. Oh my god, it was such a blessing to do all these events. How was it for you guys? Please let me know down in the comments. Did this wedding season actually get you any gigs? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to know. Coming back to the video, today we're going to unbox the PreSonus ERIS E3.5, as I said earlier, and they tell me that this is one of the best in this budget, and this has got a lot of good reviews in the market, and so I was really interested to find out what's in this. So I got this from Soundglitz. As you all know, I buy most of my electronic stuff from Soundglitz, and I got this at about 12,000 rupees, but I'm sure you can get it for even less if you call them. So if you're interested to pick these up or any of the other electronic products that I show on this channel, please call them. I'll leave their phone number down in the description box, and maybe if you're interested, give them a call before you pick it up from anywhere else. So let's quickly unbox this and see what we get in the box, and then let's come back and talk more about it. We'll compare it with the DM-40s as well. Let's go. Alright, so there you have it. This is the box. It's quite small compared to other 3.5 4-inch monitor boxes, but that's okay. As you can see on the top right corner, it says Soundglitz, and the price, the MRP on this is 13,500. But as I said, if you call them, I'm sure you will get a discount on that. As you can see on the top, it says PreSonus ERIS E3.5 active reference media reference monitor, which is the same thing as the studio monitor. On the top, you can see there is a bit of unboxing instructions, and it's better that you follow these so that you don't actually damage the tweeters. On the left, you can see this is how the monitor looks inside, and this is the smallest brother out of all the other speakers that they sell, the 4.5, 5, 8, 44 and 66. 3.5, I know somebody who used the E8s in their studio, and they're amazing. The low end is just unbelievable. At the back, you can see that this is how it looks from behind, but we're going to unbox this and see what all you get. There's nothing much on the box, not a lot of information that you would want. The website does a good job of giving you all the information, but I'm sure I'm going to tell you most of it in this video. So let's take the unboxing knife and unbox it. Let's see. Interesting. The first thing in the box is the manual, and you get 8 foot pads, and these are amazing. You need this because the speakers will rattle if you increase the volume, so keep them. Now, if you remember what it said on the box, they asked us to turn the box upside down and then open it. So we're going to do just that. We're going to quickly open it, and then we are going to turn it upside down just like that, and then we are going to lift the box up gently. Nice. There you have it. Nothing else is in the box. This is all that is there in it. So don't need these guys. Silica gel. In the middle, you can see that it has all the cables that are required. It has the power cable, and it has an aux cable, and it has an RCA to 3.5mm headphone jack, and the tried and tested red and black cables to connect the left speaker. That's about it. These are the cables. And now let's have a look at the speaker. Wow, check that out. It has a very nice matte finish, a very nice black matte finish in the front. Quite minimal. The look is minimal and looks quite nice. And if you can see, this tweeter is actually 1 inch in size, which is quite nice. It's one of the best in this class. It's quite big. It's not usually that big in this price point, but you get that in this. And that's about it. This is a Kevlar 3.5 inch woofer. So let's open the other one as well and we'll see both of them together. Alright, check this out guys. This is the power button at the bottom right corner, and this is the volume control. And I'm sure it has a little light here at the bottom, and then you get an aux in and headphones out as well. Very nice. The one with the power button is the right speaker, and at the back you can see that it has a control for your tuning. Although this is a flat response speaker, if you leave it at 0, it is going to give you a flat response. But if you have something to do with the tuning, you can also tune it according to your room. But I would recommend you don't touch this at all. Let it be as it is. Now in this you get two inputs, the balanced and the unbalanced. Unbalanced is an RCA, balanced is a phono jack. And you get this, which is where you connect the left speaker on the top right. Now this is where you connect your power cable, and as you can see, the vent for the woofer is at the back, which usually means that you can't keep it very close to the wall, but we will test that and we'll find out. Now the body feels good as expected. PreSonus is a very reputed brand. The build quality, I can say that it's quite strong, but this is actually an MDF board with a vinyl sticker because of the budget and the pricing, and that is what it is. I mean, you're going to leave it on the desk, you're not going to carry this anywhere, so I'm pretty sure these are going to last a very long time. Usually people think this is a light. It's not actually a light, it's just a very reflective logo at the corner. Quite nice, I like it. Now there you have it guys, this is how these look. I'm going to keep them next to each other. Now I'm going to keep this aside and I'm going to bring in the Pioneer DM-40. Now let's compare the size. Interesting, I didn't expect that. Now these speakers, which are Pioneer's DM-40, are wider than the PreSonus E3.5. Check it out, that is the size difference from the side. These are wider and this is less wide. Okay, and comparing the height, even the height, if you can see, is slightly bigger. The DM-40s are slightly bigger. In the front, if you look at it, this is definitely a bigger tweeter than this, and this is so good because even if you touch it accidentally, you're not going to damage your tweeter. I like this better than this. And the size of this woofer is definitely bigger. This is 3.5 and this is 4. Now the 0.5 difference, visually this is what it is, but let me tell you, I'm going to plug these in and we're going to make a review about it, and we'll see if the woofer is louder on this or how much of a difference there is compared to this and this. All right, another important thing is that this has the vents on the front. Okay, these are the vents in the front, so these are forward firing, and this has the woofer vent at the back, which means that this cannot be kept closer to the wall and these can be kept closer to the wall, but we'll find out about that later. That's about it guys, that's all you get in the box. So there you have it guys, that was a quick unboxing of the PreSonus ERIS E3.5 inch studio monitors. Now first things first, I want to tell you that this looks really good in reality. I mean, I thought that they'll be quite bulky just like the DM-40s, but they actually are not that big of a size. I mean, they can easily replace your computer speakers, and that is what it's made for. It is made for replacing your computer speakers, and these I think are amazing for that purpose, to upgrade from your regular computer speakers. And as I said, this has a bigger tweeter, and with this mesh in the front, you are sure that you're not going to damage this mesh, and that is something which is really important. Otherwise your sound signature will change and a lot of other problems come into play. Now I'm going to quickly plug these in and then I will test it for a week and then I will do a review. Now in the past I also unboxed the Pioneer DM-40s, and those have been on testing for at least 2-3 months now. So I'm going to compare this with DM-40s and see what is the major difference. I mean, it's just 3.5 inches and that is 4 inches. The 0.5 inch difference, I'm not sure what big of a deal that is. And also let me tell you that these are available for a very good price of about 12,000 rupees, and I got these from Soundglitz, whereas the Pioneer DM-40s come for about 18,000 rupees, and that is a lot expensive than these are, but the size difference is just 0.5 inches. So we will definitely check and compare both of them side by side and see which is a better buy and which speakers sound better overall, and we'll see what gives you a better value for your buck. So if you're interested to see that comparison video, that will be out on this channel very soon, so please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified when that video is out. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing video of the PreSonus ERIS E3.5 studio monitors, and a lot more of such content will be out on this channel soon. I've been busy because of the events, and that is why I've not been uploading, but that is going to change because the season has ended, and as of now, I can only wish you guys Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. For now, I hope that we are all safe and sound, and 2021 holds a lot of blessings for all of us, especially DJs, because we've had a rough year. But we should always hope for the best. So there you have it. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.